Alright, y'all, we're at IKEA. And I haven't been to an IKEA in ages. But we've got 2 banks of elevators over here. So let's see if we can take a ride on them. Yeah. Looking to get a new desk, so. You go, I'll take the next one. There's a third elevator over there, but it's staff all the way. And then there's another set over there. Oh. You guys going down?
Yep, no, pick what we have.
Are you here? Alright. Oh, Minnesota. Let's get our cabbie on the way down because these things are probably busy. Interesting. Missing ceiling tiles. These things are huge, but they're not that interesting. Just typical Minnesota elevators. You're at P2? Check out that cool escalator ramp. Alright. And there it goes. And